Interest niya ako. Ice cream. Low in calories. Diba? Kasi gusto kong mag-diet pero ang bunganga ko ayaw. So we just try this. Try low calories and protein. Ito yung spoon niya. At saka may papel pa siya. Let's remove this. Actually, naka-sale to. Pero mahal pa rin. So, lightweight, high protein ice cream. The batchy. It's gonna fry.